Have you ever stood at a painting and felt it pull you in, as if it demanded you to stop, look closer, and really see it? That's what happened when you look at Brenton Reifer's Daniel in the Lion's Den. This painting is just silent, as whispering, stirring, and lingering in your mind. Once you turn it away, okay, let's take a look. Brenton Reifer's Daniel in the Lion's Den is a work of art that depicts a moment of suspense and courage. Inspired by the Bible story, it captures the steadfast faith of Daniel, who remained calm despite being surrounded by ferocious lions. In a few seconds, we are taken to see not just a man facing a threat, but an environment of courage and unwavering faith. In terms of technique, Reifer's used light very effectively to highlight Daniel, giving the impression of divine protection. The soft light made Daniel the center of attention, while the dark background created an atmosphere of attention. This is not just a visual depiction, but a symbol of Daniel's determination, which remained upright despite being surrounded by dangers. The lines in this painting also have very diverse characteristics. Some roar, some stalk, some appear indifferent and submissive. This is a representation of life challenges that come in many forms. Each lion serves as a symbol of the different challenges we face in life. The background of this painting, with its ancient architecture inspired by Mesopotamia and Persia, has a profound historical dimension. The carvings and hieroglyphics on the walls are not just decorative elements, but also provide symbolic depth. They connect the story to a wider cultural and spiritual context, reinforcing the depth of faith and courage in the face of trial. While this painting is very strong in technical terms, there are some aspects that might feel lacking. The interaction between Daniel and the lions feels a little flat. Although the lions are depicted with a variety of expression, they appear more as passive observers than really threat. Even so, the beauty of this painting still lies in the details and the depiction of the lions with very lively expression. Reifer managed to give this animal a psychological dimension, not just a symbolic of treat the viewer to not only see the painting as a story, but also to feel it emotional. As a work of art, Daniel in the Lion's Den is not just a painting, but an experience. Reifer doesn't just depict the story of Daniel in the Lion's Den. He invites us to internal the tension between serenity and truth, between faith and fear. While there is room to deepen the emotional aspect and interaction between the character, it remains a very powerful work in conveying the themes of courage, faith, and determination. In the end, we are reminded that life challenges come in many forms, and sometimes facing them with poise and faith is the most powerful way to remain steadfast. Thank you for joining this in-depth exploration through the painting Daniel in the Lion's Den. I hope you can sense the deeper message behind this work, that in very threat we face, there is a calmness that comes from a firm faith.